Alright, so like Allison said, today we're going to be making a couple different fidget options. We've got our little tube fidget that we're going to make, and we have our popsicle stick fidget that we're going to make, and the popsicle stick fidget comes from sugarants.com Sweet Ideas, and that's where we got that idea from. To start, we're going to start with our tube fidget. And all you need is some of this tubing. You can find this at Joann's, maybe Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but this one we found at Joann's Fabric. You cut it to a length that you want. I tend to make it just a little bit longer because it frays a little bit as you're sticking beads in it, so you'll want to trim it. So I started out with closing one end with a glue gun. So you'll need a glue gun, and make sure you have a parent with you when you're doing this part. So you put a little tiny drop of glue on the inside of just one side of the tubes, and then you can take a popsicle stick and you press it down before it cools off so that it seals that one end. Then you take your beads, and you want to, if you want to do a color pattern, you can. You just stick several beads inside the tube. Mostly however many will fit, except for leave just a tiny bit of space so that they'll move around for you. When you decide that you want to kind of play with it and fidget with it, they'll kind of move for you. So you do want to leave just a tiny bit of space. And then when you're done, you'll take your hot glue gun, you'll put another little drop at the end, take your popsicle stick, and seal it before it cools, usually about 5 seconds. And then when you pop it up, it might be a little frayed, and you can take your scissors and trim off that little bit of frayed so it doesn't poke you. And this one's pretty cool because you can keep it in your pocket. If you're going somewhere with your parents, you can fidget with it in your pocket. So that one's pretty cool. And this one's a finished product of that with both ends that are sealed. Alright, the next one is our pipe cleaner fidget that we talked about earlier. So you'll need a pipe cleaner that you or a parent trims a little bit further than the popsicle stick, because what you're going to do is you're going to bend it around your popsicle stick to hold it. You'll need some rubber bands to hold it in place. So we're going to go ahead and put one rubber band on to hold it where we want it to stay before we put our beads on. Keep getting stuck. Alright, so now you've got your rubber band and your pipe cleaner on there. Alright, so then what you're going to do is you again take the beads that you have, the pony beads. You can do a color pattern or just put some on there how you want it. Is similar to the tube fidget. You want to leave just a little bit of space so that you have room to move them around. This one you can hold, this one can go on your desk in your room. This one can kind of go either way. So I'm just randomly picking up different colors to put on there. You can even have some different shaped ones for different texture if you like that. Alright, and then when you're finished and you feel like you have enough on there with some space to move them around, you fold the other end to the back of the popsicle stick. And you take your second small rubber band and you're going to put that one in place. Now, because these can get kind of pokey, they suggest that you can put some tape on the back. So we do have some tape. You can use some washi tape, or you can use any kind of duct tape, masking tape, whatever tape that y'all might have at home to put this down and cover those kind of scratchy parts. Alright, so we've got our washi tape that we're going to do today. So you just start at one end, put it down on the other, and press it down so it sticks. You can trim off the extra. And then what you can do to hold it even more is put a piece of tape around where the rubber bands are if you don't like the rubber bands. So you just put some of your tape around that and wrap it around. However many times your tape will go around it. And then just kind of press it down, make sure it's secured. Alright, and those are two different types of little fidgets that you can make at home if you have all the supplies.